Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you a guide on how to bring your photos to life with CapCut's AI dialogue scene feature. It's the easiest and most engaging way to create unique content for storytelling, explaining concepts, or just making viral shorts. CapCut's AI is a game changer and I'll walk you through every step. So once you open your CapCut on mobile, you can just head into the AI avatar tools. And if you see here at the very bottom, there will be this AI dialogue scene. You can just bring your photo to life using this feature. So click on that. Then choose the photo that you want. So in here, create dialogue scene. You can make the character in your photo talk, sing, or react. And for multiple characters, you can pick who talks. So let's say I'm going to just use this one. You can tap on next. And now there will be this pop-up. You can choose whether you want the character in the photo talk or sing, or maybe react. But for reacting here, you need to choose the duration. I'm going to just go with talk or sing. Here you can choose the voice.
Enter what you want your character to say. Enter what you want your character to say. Enter what you want your character to say.
Okay.
Enter what you want your Enter what you want your
I think
character.
I'm going to just go with this
Enter
for
what you
the
want your character to say.
emotion. Now you can just enter what you want your character to say, or you can also add audio if you want the character to sing. So I'm going to just this is okay. CapCut. Okay, let's try that. Now you can just tap on generate, click on confirm. Okay, so you need credits if you want to use this feature. But when you do that, when you click on generate and you have credits, your avatar will start talking based on the script or dialogue that you had before. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.